An explosive war of words has erupted after the Election Commission announced 8-phase Bengal poll schedule. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has launched a blistering attack on the Election Commission and the BJP, questioning whether the poll dates were actually finalized after consulting with Prime Minister Modi. She also asked whether the 8-phase polls are being held to benefit the BJP. TMC MP Derek O'Brien also did not mince any words, asking whether the poll panel was being meddled with. Remember, Bengal will witness polls in 8 phases from the 27th of March to the 29th of April, with several districts voting over phases.
আমি সর্বভারতীয় ইলেকশন কমিশনকে আমার অনেক অনেক অভিনন্দন ধন্যবাদ এবং মোবারকবাদ জানাচ্ছি বাধাই জানাচ্ছি যে তারা 5টা রাজ্যের ইলেকশন অ্যানাউন্স করেছে বাংলায় 294টা সিট 8টা ফেজে ইলেকশন কেন কাকে সুবিধা করে দেওয়ার জন্য একটু তো রেশনাল থাকবে ইলেকশন কমিশন We want election commission, we have a highest regards. Now, like election commission, the important body, if they don't give justice to the state and the people, then where the people will go? So our request would be, please see, BJP has the agency power, BJP has the government of India power, but one central government cannot misuse their own power for a state election. And if you do it like this, if you allow it like this, then there will be a big, big blunder. And then you have to face the music. We are not. We the common people, we will fight out our battle. But I will request the election commission, stop misuse of the money. BJP already sent the money on the district through all the agencies.
ये इनका जो नेत्री है ममता बनर्जी ने भी बोल रहा है कि खेला होबे का मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब इन लोगों ने समझ गया कि इनका पास अभी जनता का सपोर्ट नहीं है, आम जनता इनका पीछे नहीं है। इन्होंने जो भी कुछ बोल रहा है ये आम जनता के ऊपर इसका कोई असर नहीं हो रहा है, तो इसलिए ये फिर वोट लूट करने के लिए बोल रहा है। ये निष्पक्ष निर्वाचन नहीं हो उसके लिए बोल रहा है। निर्वाचन कमीशन को हम लोग बोले हैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी से, और हमको लग रहा है कि निर्वाचन कमीशन इस बार ऐसा चुनाव करेंगे जो निष्पक्ष रूप से हो, आबाद हो, शांतिपूर्ण हो, और जनता ने राय दान करने से इसमें ये सरकार परिवर्तन जरूर होगा।
No issue of conducting election in 8th phase or 7th phase or 6th phase is immaterial. But the way election is announced, dividing a district in part 1, part 2, that whether that was necessary or not, I can't pass comment now. But that the reasons behind the decision of part 1, part 2 in a district remain a questionable issue.
Prema continues to be with us. Prema, just explain to us, why is the TMC really unhappy about the 8 phases? Because the Election Commission has always in fact said, and this is not the first time, that every state had their own concerns, and this was expected, wasn't it?
Well, Mamata Banerjee goes on to say that why should states like Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Puducherry have a single-phase election, whereas West Bengal has an 8-phase election? Whether this is happening at the behest of the Saffron Party, and secondly, she also, the other question is why there are two police observers. Of course, BJP says that because of security, because of pre-poll violence and during the violence as well, during the polls as well, there could be violence, which is why there should be an 8-phase election. And this is exactly what the Election Commission has done, have an 8-phase election. So that is the question being raised by Mamata Banerjee. Secondly, why should certain districts have elections on different days? So a fractured kind of polling system in certain districts, and questioning, like for example, South 24 Parganas, where Trinamool Congress has a stronghold, and Mamata Banerjee is saying, is it to break the backbone of the Trinamool Congress? But she says she will emerge victorious. Now, another question that Mamata Banerjee has raised is that is it because they will conduct elections, the BJP will be part of, say, the election process, or be present in those states, in different states, like you're talking about Kerala or Tamil Nadu,
okay,
and then focus on Bengal. So the focus is on Bengal. That is what Mamata Banerjee has to say. And as far as the left is concerned, is it about, why the This is something that has never been seen in the past. Back to you, Sneha.
All right, Prema, thanks for getting us up to speed with that.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.